everybody, welcome back to Channels of Machinery. The journey of thousands of turkeys begins even before they hatch. It starts with carefully selected turkey eggs placed into high-quality incubators, where every egg undergoes precise temperature and humidity control. Throughout the incubation process, farm workers diligently check the quality of each egg. Advanced techniques, such as candling, are used to observe the egg's contents, ensuring only viable eggs continue to the next stages. Any eggs that don't meet quality standards are removed, maintaining a high level of care and maximizing the health potential of the future turkeys. After approximately 4 weeks, the eggs begin to hatch. As each baby turkey or poult emerges, it is carefully inspected by veterinary staff. This examination is vital to assess the health and condition of the poults, ensuring they are strong and free from any signs of illness. Only healthy poults are moved forward to the next stage of their journey, the farm itself. Once on the farm, the poults are placed in a secure, carefully managed environment where they can grow safely. The farm is designed with ample space, proper nutrition, and controlled environmental factors that cater to the specific needs of young turkeys. The commitment to safety and welfare extends throughout their lives as they mature, with a dedicated team monitoring their well-being and health at every stage. Adulthood, they are ready for their ultimate purpose, providing food to meet market demands. These turkeys, raised with care and attention, contribute to a reliable supply of food. Every step of their journey, from egg to adulthood, is meticulously managed with a focus on health, safety, and quality. This commitment ensures that consumers receive high-quality, responsibly raised turkey products, supporting both local agriculture and the larger food supply chain. Dedication to quality and ethical farming practices guarantees that each turkey plays an important role in feeding families, contributing to a sustainable and trusted food source. The journey from farm to table for turkeys involves a series of carefully managed steps to ensure safety, quality, and humane treatment. From loading onto transport trucks to being packaged for sale, each stage is highly regulated to maintain animal welfare, prevent contamination, and deliver a high-quality product to consumers. Here's an in-depth look at the turkey processing journey, which emphasizes safety, hygiene, and quality control. The process begins on the farm, where mature turkeys are carefully loaded onto trucks designed to provide adequate ventilation and space, minimizing stress during transport. To ensure they arrive at the processing plant in optimal condition, turkeys are transported in specialized crates that keep them secure and comfortable. Transportation crews are trained to handle the animals with care to reduce unnecessary agitation or harm. The goal of these precautions is to prevent stress, as calm birds generally yield better quality meat, and to ensure the turkeys reach the plant in good health. With feathers removed, the turkeys are conveyed to the evisceration stations, where internal organs are removed. Evisceration is performed with meticulous attention to hygiene because any contamination from the digestive tract could lead to spoilage or foodborne illness. Highly trained personnel and specialized equipment are used to ensure that this process is as clean and safe as possible. Certain organs, like the liver and heart, are retained and sorted for use in other food products, while others are discarded according to regulatory guidelines. After evisceration, the turkeys go through a thorough cleaning and chilling process, essential steps for meat preservation. Chilling is typically achieved using water or air chill methods, which rapidly cool the carcass to inhibit bacterial growth. The water chilling method immerses turkeys in cold water, while air chilling circulates cold, dry air around the carcasses. Both techniques help to maintain the freshness of the meat, enhance its quality, and extend shelf life. Maintaining a specific low temperature throughout this stage is crucial, as even minor temperature increases could lead to bacterial growth, potentially endangering consumers' health. Quality control measures remain stringent at each stage. Following chilling, the birds undergo another round of inspections to verify they meet all health and safety standards. Any imperfections, such as minor bruises or damaged skin, are corrected to ensure each turkey meets the standards set by regulatory agencies and the facility's brand. If a bird doesn't pass inspection, it may be removed from the production line. The final stage involves cutting and packaging. Skilled butchers divide each turkey into standard cuts, including breasts, thighs, wings, and drumsticks, according to consumer demand. Each cut is carefully packaged, often vacuum sealed to extend freshness. In some facilities, turkeys are also seasoned or marinated according to market preferences before packaging. Labels with nutritional information, origin, and expiration dates are applied to each package. Quality control specialists inspect each package to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and brand standards, guaranteeing consumers receive a safe and high-quality product.
Silkworm Raising Diary by Herodias Sai offers a captivating glimpse into the detailed art and science of silkworm cultivation. Over the course of 7 years, Asai has dedicated his time and patience to mastering the intricate processes of mulberry harvesting, egg incubation, silkworm care, and cocoon collection, each stage a testament to both the precision and artistry required for producing silk. The journey of raising silkworms begins with a crucial foundation: the mulberry trees. Asai meticulously tends to these trees, for the quality of the leaves directly influences the quality of the silk produced. Mulberry leaves are the sole food of silkworms, and ensuring they are plentiful and healthy is essential. Asai carefully cultivates the trees, monitoring soil, watering, and pruning to guarantee the optimal leaf production each season. Harvesting the leaves is no small feat either. As the silkworms grow, their appetite surges, requiring fresh leaves several times a day. The harvesting is a continual process, an almost meditative practice as Asai gathers the green foliage, knowing each leaf contributes to his silkworm's growth. Next is the incubation of silkworm eggs. Timing here is key. The eggs must hatch when mulberry leaves are available in abundance. Temperature and humidity are controlled meticulously to coax the eggs into hatching. Asai describes the moment the tiny larvae emerge as magical, a tiny burst of life from each egg that holds such promise. The newly hatched larvae, however, are incredibly delicate and require a gentle hand. He moves them with care and provides finely shredded mulberry leaves for them to feed on. As they grow, they shed their skins several times, each molt marking a new stage of maturity. Watching them evolve through each instar is a process of patience and attention, as each stage requires slightly different care. As the silkworms reach their final larval stage, they consume an enormous amount of mulberry leaves. The rate at which they eat, almost insatiable, can be overwhelming, but Asai has come to understand the rhythm of their growth. Soon, the worms are ready to spin their cocoons. This is perhaps the most rewarding part of the process. When the silkworms begin to spin, they are placed on a structured surface where they can form their cocoons undisturbed. Each silkworm produces a single thread of silk, winding it into a cocoon that, when unraveled, can reach hundreds of meters in length. Watching them enclose themselves in their silky fortress is mesmerizing, an age-old dance of nature and creation. The final stage is harvesting the cocoons. After the silkworms have fully encased themselves, the cocoons are collected and prepared for silk extraction. This part requires both care and timing. Too early, and the silk thread may not be fully formed. Too late, and the moths inside will emerge, breaking the thread. Asai skillfully manages this timing, ensuring that each cocoon is perfectly intact. The cocoon picking is both the culmination and reward of months of dedication, yielding the raw material that will eventually be spun into luxurious silk. Through Silkworm Raising Diary, Herodias Sai shares his 7-year journey. reflecting on the labor, patience, and joy inherent in this age-old practice. The book stands as both a guide and a tribute to the beauty of nurturing life in service of art, encapsulating the silkworm raising process as a rich and rewarding endeavor. The silk spinning process is a highly refined series of steps aimed at producing diverse, high-quality raw silk. It starts with sericulture, the cultivation of silkworms, which are typically reared on a diet of mulberry leaves. Once the silkworms reach maturity, they spin a cocoon made of a single continuous silk filament that can extend over several hundred meters. The quality of silk starts here, with controlled breeding and feeding practices that ensure healthy cocoons, which are essential for high-grade silk production. Once the silkworms have formed their cocoons, the reeling process begins. The first step involves soaking the cocoons in hot water, a process called stifling, which kills the pupa inside and loosens the sericin, the natural gum that holds the cocoon's fibers together. This process requires precision. Too much heat or soaking time can weaken the filament, affecting the silk's quality and texture. Afterward, the softened cocoon filaments are unwound in a process known as reeling, where multiple filaments are twisted together to create a thread of raw silk. Reeling is a meticulous process, as variations in filament size or tension during twisting can lead to inconsistencies in the silk's appearance and strength. Once reeled, the silk is typically graded by experts who assess qualities such as thickness, elasticity, and color. This grading is crucial, as it enables producers to separate silk of varying quality levels for different applications. High-quality silk often goes to the textile industry for use in luxury garments, while lower grades might be used in industrial applications or blended fabrics. Today, advancements in the silk spinning process are enhancing silk diversity and quality. Technological innovations in automated reeling, precision heating, and sericulture monitoring allow for greater control over each stage of production. Sustainable practices, such as recycling water from the stifling process and reducing chemical use, are also gaining traction, contributing to both high-quality output and reduced environmental impact. The result is a more versatile raw silk, meeting the needs of diverse industries while maintaining the softness, sheen, and strength that have defined silk for centuries.